Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe if you're new here, and today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. I've already peeked in the box and I'm pretty excited for this month. And yeah, I know I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in a while and I am bringing them back. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join our family. Also, you can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment down below on what kind of videos you guys want to see. All right, and if you're ready to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep watching. All right, so this is the box this month, and you open it up and it looks like this. It has this little card with the theme and stuff on it. This Totally Boxycharm gives you a list of everything and what the prices are and what they do and whatnot. So we'll go over that in a minute, but we are going to go ahead and jump into the box. This is what my box looks like this month. So we are going to start on the eyes first because we did get 2 eyeshadows, or at least I got 2 eyeshadows. And these are the Ace Beaute Glimmer Shadow Duo. I don't know if it's Ace Beaute or Ace Beauty. Don't know, but one of them. And these retail for $25. So I'm assuming it's $25 for the duo. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes really quickly, and then we're gonna get started on the eyes, and I will zoom you guys in so you can see everything. Okay, so I applied just a transition shade. I have Burnt Orange from Anastasia in my crease, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into these 2 shades right here. So the shades that I got are Cotton Candy, which is this like pretty corally shade that I am so obsessed with right now. It's so pretty. And I got the shade Ice Latte, which is this really pretty bronzy gold. Wow. But they literally look like ColourPop Super Shock shadows. So those are the 2 shades that I got in mine. I'm gonna go in with this shade all over my lid, and then we'll see how I'm gonna incorporate this shade later on. But I'm gonna go in with this all over the lid. So I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this because I feel like it'd be my best bet. Okay, so that is that shadow on. I love this color. It is so stunning. It's a really pretty like light pink, but it has a goldish orangish shift to it. It's so pretty. I don't even know if it's picking up on camera how pretty it actually is in person and how sparkly it is in person, but it is very, very sparkly. So this is what I'm gonna do to the eyes. This is just gonna be like a one and done eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to go in with this shade in a little bit. So I am going to go ahead and move into the next thing in the box, and that is this Tarte Big Ego mascara, and this retails for $23. I really like the shape of the wand. It reminds me of the Better Than Sex mascara wand, and it also reminds me of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise wand. So I really like the wand. Alright, so that's the mascara on. It's not like my absolute favorite. It is really nice because the more you build it up, like the more length and volume you get, but it doesn't look clumpy at all, and it does a really good job separating your lashes. I'll do like my lower lash line later when I'm done with all my foundation and stuff, so we'll get back to that, but let me go ahead and start on my face, which leads me to the next product in the box. So the next product in the box is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It's this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a primer, and this retails for $42. Like, that's pricey. Like, that's kind of expensive. So basically it's a face oil slash moisturizer situation, but I'm gonna use it as a primer. I love packaging like this. If you know what my favorite primer right now is, it has this exact same packaging. It comes out pink and glittery. How pretty. It also smells like roses. It literally feels like the Touch in Sol Prime Essence. Like, it's the same situation. All right, so for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and concealer off camera, and then I'll come back and we will finish up this look. Okay, so I am back. Looking a little crazy, I know. I'm gonna show you guys what's next in my box, and that is this guy right here. I'm so excited to try this out. So excited. This is the BECCA HYDRAMIST Set and Refresh Powder. So I have dry skin, and this is a hydrating setting powder. I am so stoked to try this. This guy retails for $39. He's pricey. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty packaging, and it has like a little net inside of it so that, you know, you don't get too much product, and I really like that. And then it closes, so when you put your lid on it, it doesn't make a complete mess, which I also appreciate because I always make a mess with my setting powders. But I am gonna set my entire face with this, my under eyes and my entire face. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels so weird. Oh my gosh, it feels like I'm putting water on my face. What on earth? Is it even setting? Wow. It feels like you're putting water on your face. That is crazy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face again with my sponge. This feels insane, guys. I'm freaking out. How does this feel like water? It literally feels like I'm bouncing a wet sponge on my face. Like it feels like this is soaked in water and I'm putting it on my face, but there's powder going on. What is this? Oh my gosh. Even like the residue powder that's just kind of sweeping onto my face, it literally feels like I'm being misted with water. That is insane. All right, so I'm just gonna dust off all this excess powder really quickly. Wow, my face looks airbrushed. And there's still like a subtle glow. I don't know if you guys can see it like on my cheeks. Oh my goodness. My face looks airbrushed. My face looks so incredibly airbrushed. Like, let me see if I can get you guys a little closer. Can you see like how smooth my face looks? I'm blown away. Okay, so I'm back with my whole face done, and let me tell you, my face looks so freaking flawless, and all of the products went on really nicely. And yeah, I really liked that powder. I did finish up my eyes for the most part, but I am gonna pop this shade right here. This was Iced Latte. I'm gonna pop this in my inner corner. Hopefully it's not too dark to wear in my inner corner. Okay, yeah, I really like this as an inner corner highlight. It really just opened up the eyes. It wasn't too dark. I thought it was going to be too dark, and it's really not, and it's just really sparkly, and like with the light hitting it, like it just looks so freaking pretty. But yeah, there's only one more thing in the box, so let me show you what that is. So it is a lip pencil, and this is the Steve Laurent lip liner, and it is in the shade Chic, and this is my kind of lip liner. It's a brown lip liner, so I'm ready to use this. Alright, so that's the shade on me. I do think that it is a bit of a rougher lip liner. If you don't like wooden lip liners for that reason, this is a rougher lip liner. I wouldn't suggest filling in your entire lips with this, but I really like the color. But I am going to put a nude in the center of my lips because that's just how I personally like to wear my lip liners, but I do really like the color. It is a perfect nude lip liner for me. Okay, so that is it for this full look. I love how this looks on. So pretty, so flirty, and just like such a great daytime look. I'm obsessed right now. So my final thoughts are I really like the box. The only thing I'm a little bit iffy about is the mascara, and only because I have like the tiniest straight out lashes in the world. This didn't really hold a curl for me, but most mascaras, unless they're waterproof, don't. But I do like the way it looks on my lower lash line, and I do think it builds up nicely. It didn't get clumpy or anything. It's just not my favorite for my lashes, if that makes sense. But everything else I really, really loved in the box. So the total value of my box this month was $144. That is crazy because you only pay $21 a month for it. If you do want to check out Boxycharm, I highly suggest it. I love getting my Boxycharm products. It's really helped me build my makeup collection without splurging every single month. But yeah, I am very happy with all the products that I got. But if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, go ahead and check the description below. I will have a link in it. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.